Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Catching Phishers by their Bait Investigating the Dutch Phishing Landscape through Phishing Kit Detection. The primary objective and the introduction of this study is to delve into the Dutch phishing landscape by employing the Phishing Kit Detection technique. Phishing involves the fraudulent imitation of genuine websites to trick users into disclosing sensitive information. To tackle this issue, the proposed method focuses on examining the suspicious keywords, website uptime, and updates to the certificates. By analyzing these factors, the aim is to detect and identify the phishing website, thereby enhancing the user protection against the deceptive practices. The main goal of this study is to explore the Dutch phishing landscape through the use of phishing kit detection. The objective is to create a methodology that can effectively track and identifying the phishing website by examining the specific factor like suspicious keywords, website uptime, and updates to X.509 certificates. By conducting this investigation, the aim is to deepen our understanding of phishing practices and contribute to the development of robust countermeasures to mitigate the risk associated with phishing attacks. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement Python IDE with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload Suspicious Keyword. This module involves uploading a list of suspicious keywords that are typically associated with phishing activities. And the second module is Run Phishing Kit Detection. In this module, the phishing detection process takes place. By using the Python API called CertStream, the system crawls through various websites, including those related to the Dutch phishing landscape, and the content and the characteristics of each website are examined, including the presence of suspicious keywords. And the third one, each website is assigned to a score based on the presence and relevance of the suspicious keywords. The score is calculated by comparing the content of the website with the uploaded list of suspicious keywords. This uptime of each website is analyzed to determine the duration of the website as being active. Phishers often remove their website after executing the fraudulent activities, resulting in a shorter uptime. The X.509 certificate of the website or tracker to identify the update. Since phishers regularly update the certificates to appear legitimate, monitoring these updates can be helpful in identifying the suspicious website. Based on this analysis of score uptime and certificate update, websites that exhibit characteristics aligned with phishing activities are identified as a potential phishing websites. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The first one contains of the compiled Python file and the suspicious word folder consisting of the data set of suspicious keywords, and the main and phishing domain or the Python code files, and this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. Here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Upload Suspicious Keywords button. By this, it redirected to the suspicious word folder, and here we need to select this data set and click on Open button. By this, these are the suspicious word list like of login, sign in, account, verification, verify, and more. And click on Run Phishing Kit Detection button. By this, the no phishing domain detected on this one, and the domain uptime is of 2159 and the score attained is of 67. In this way we can find it, and this is the graph where x-axis represents of the domains and the y-axis represents the count and the values assigned for each domain. Close this graph. In conclusion, the research successfully investigated the Dutch phishing landscape through phishing kit detection. By analyzing the factors such as suspicious keywords, website uptime, and Export 509 certificate update, the study identifies and tracks the phishing website effectively. Finding contribute to a better understanding of phishing practice, enabling the development of robust countermeasures. By detecting and mitigating the phishing attacks, the research enhances security measures in the online domain, protecting the user from fraudulent activities and safeguarding the sensitive information.
For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.